Are you there?
Yes, I am Paresh.
Aishwarya, can you see our hand then?
No, hi Shantan, not able to see you.
Hi Aishwarya, how are you?
Good, yeah. How are you doing?
I'm good, man. Good to see you after a long, long time. The first time when I saw you was on the stage of Z Saregama.
Oh.
I still cannot forget, the young boy coming from the town of Muzaffarpur with a completely, rural look and an innocent look, and who's now getting groomed into a complete performer.
Thank you.
I mean, I've been following you since then. And you and along with Ujjaini, you were the winners in 2006.
Yeah.
And I'm from Kolkata, and she's also from Kolkata. So.
Hey, wow, where are you from? Kolkata, mein kahan par?
I stay in the south of Calcutta, basically.
Okay. Ujjaini stays in Tollygunj, I guess.
She stays in Behala.
Oh, acha, Behala. Oh.
Head of Tollygunj. She is actually a localite from the area of Saurav Ganguly.
अच्छा आपको बहुत सारी चीजें पता है उसके बारे में.
No, actually, because I've been following all you guys, not only you, Jenny, but if you remember, there have been a couple of singers from Pakistan also, like Musarrat Abbas.
Yeah, Musarrat. Amanat Ali, yeah.
We own Raja Hassan. And in the subsequent seasons, we had Anik, and Anik belongs to my same school only.
Okay, acha.
My school junior, and we have been in touch after a long time after that also.
Okay.
So it's very good to see you because Paresh has been a great friend since quite some time, and he has started off this venture. When I heard that you are coming online, and he told me, I said, okay, if it's possible, then I'd like to come online as a caller.
Thank you. I'm glad you are here.
To you, first of all, I would like to compliment you on your new look because the first time when I saw you, you had a completely different hairstyle and an appearance. And it shows that how you have been groomed in every possible way, starting from your looks to your voice to your everything.
Thank you, Santa.
But my first question to you, Aishwarya, would be that today it's a very competitive world, and by far film industry happens to be the most competitive place. Out of which the music industry happens to be the most, if I can say, the most toughest place wherein the competition is like more than cutthroat.
Yeah.
The thing is, every day we come to know that some of the other new singer is coming up. There are technologies there for which at times it so happens that you don't even require a singer's voice. You can just record a song with the help of that software, and you can just go about it. I would like to ask this on behalf of a lot of other people, that what will be your advice scenario?
Pardon me, can you repeat the last question? Your voice, yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So what I was asking you is, what would be your suggestion for the people who are coming into this profession as a newcomer? And how would they sustain themselves in this kind of a competition? Because as I told you just now, that every day, and you know it better than any one of us, since you are in the same industry, you have been around for some years now. It's almost been 8 years you are in the industry. There are new singers coming every day. I mean, every alternate day we can hear a new voice. There is so much of technology boom. Like there is YouTube, there is Facebook, there is WhatsApp. There are so many other applications. And even the music directors are getting hands-on, on technologies which don't even at times require the voice of a human singer. I mean, I understand. I mean, I guess you know what I mean to say, right?
Yeah. I got it.
So, this kind of a scenario, Aishwarya, I would just like to ask you, what would be your suggestion as an experienced professional who has been in the industry for almost a decade now? Newcomers, so that how will they sustain themselves, and how will they slowly and gradually progress in this field and sell themselves as a label, as a brand, as a singer, as a performer? I'm sorry, my question was a bit too long though.
No. And my answer is in just one statement, one line. My suggestion would be, do what you want. See, we have technologies. We have much more competition these days.
Every day.
Every day. We have technologies, and we have competition. We have different social media space where we can promote and get ourselves. Why can't we use these stuffs as a boon? So बहुत सारे ऐसे whenever I sit with my friends या नए singers, तो ऐसी चीजें आती हैं, and the answer is just do what you want. Just let your focus be on the thing what you want.
Right. Very true.
Yeah, and competition जब तक नहीं रहेगा, how will you able to improve yourself?
No, competition has to be there in order to improve yourself, because I personally believe. Yeah. Sorry to interrupt you. Carry on.
So basically, I love competitions. These people, I mean, Irfan ho, chahe Arijit ho, chahe Ash King hai, these all are my friends, and we know each other very well. But competition has to be there. I love competition. I mean, I'm like, bring it on. Jitna competition hoga, I'll be able to improve and learn more and more every day.
Exactly. And one more thing, Aishwarya, I would like to know from you that since you are into this business for quite some time, and you have been doing a lot of live shows, तो एक चीज मैं तुमसे जानना चाहूंगा, you know, on a personal note and also on behalf of so many others who are at the same time online, that how far do you think in today's date, in it's an era of utter and complete commercialization, it's an era, how much do you think एक मतलब डेली बेसिस पे रियाज करना कितना जरूरी है एक सिंगर के, चाहे वो कितना भी लाइव शोज करे, कितना भी अपीयरेंसेस करे, जो भी करे बेसिस पे, क्योंकि आज भी जो मतलब हमारे देश के जो मतलब चूटी के सिंगर्स हैं, चाहे वो लता जी हो, चाहे वो सोनू निगम हो, चाहे जो भी हो, वो आज जब भी उनको वक्त मिलता है वो अपना मतलब हारमोनियम वगैरह लेके बैठ जाते हैं या फिर रियाज करते हैं.
See, I would say it all depends what you want in your life. I mean, if you want to be a singer, you will do your riyaz. I mean, if you want to be a legend, you will do your riyaz. If you want to be a Bhagwan, you will do your riyaz. It all depends what do you want in your life. डेली रियाज भी लोग करते हैं, हर दिन 2-2 घंटे करते हैं, कोई हर दिन 5 घंटे करते हैं. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स व्हाट डू यू वांट, एंड इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस के आपको हर दिन रियाज करना ही करना है. इफ यू लव योर म्यूजिक, इफ यू आर इन लव विद योर प्रोफेशन, you will automatically sit with your harmonium and tabla and do your riyaz. It should not be like this कि अभी आपको उठना है ना अभी आपको करना है, चाहे आपका दिल हो चाहे नहीं हो, right? So let it come naturally to you. Let it not be a forceful activity कि नहीं अभी तो उठना है यार, shit अभी मन नहीं था बट अभी करना है, सिंगर बनना है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. I'm not able to hear you.